We are Autosoft Software Training Services. This is the tutorial for the beginners in Autocad software.
Hello friends. In this section, we will discuss about write blocks in Autocad. Write blocks are used to export a selected object as a drawing, which can be inserted into other drawings as a block. The main difference between block and the W block is blocks tends to resides in the drawing you create them in, since a W block is a separate DWG file. It's more easier inserted and shared. To active write blocks, WBLOCK is the command. Let's move to the video to know more about it. In this example, this table is a block and it's drawn in this project. Our requirement is we need a separate DWG file for this table. So using WBLOCK command, I create a separate DWG file for this particular table. Active the command. We have three sources are there. First one is block, second one is the entire drawing, and third one is the selected object. Here this desk is a block, so I select source as block and select the desk from the drop down list. Here we can choose the file locations where you want to save. Here I save this file to desktop and give the name as desk2. Then click on OK button. Now a separate DWG file is created for this particular desk. Go to File menu, click on Open and select that created file. Now you can see the WBLOCK file desk2 separated. Thank you for watching this video.